You have a cold and don't know how to talk to the doctor in English. Let me teach you.
English by Miko.
Hello. Please come in and have a seat.
Hello, doctor. Thank you.
What's your full name?
Daniel Morris.
How old are you, Mr. Morris?
I'm 32 years old.
What brings you here today?
I'm feeling sick. I have a bad cough.
How long have you had the cough?
About 1 week.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel very hot.
Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, it hurts when I swallow.
Are you sneezing or have a runny nose?
A little bit, yes.
Do you feel tired or weak?
Yes, I feel tired all the time.
Any chest pain?
No, not really.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, I'm not.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
Do you drink alcohol?
Sometimes, but not much.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a mild fever, 38.4 degrees Celsius.
Is that dangerous?
No, it's not serious. You probably have a viral infection.
Will I need medicine?
Yes, I'll give you cough syrup and some tablets.
How many times should I take them?
Take them 3 times a day after meals.
Can I go to work?
I suggest you rest for 2 to 3 days.
Can I take a shower?
Yes, but don't use cold water.
Should I eat anything special?
Eat light food and drink warm fluids.
Can I drink tea?
Yes, tea is good. Avoid cold drinks.
Should I come back?
Come back if you don't feel better in 5 days.
Okay. Can I get a doctor's note for work?
Yes, I'll write one for you.
Thank you so much, doctor.
You're welcome. Take care and get well soon.
Thanks. Goodbye.